Hi, and welcome to our 25th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ, and I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to look at inserting photos. And to make sure that I give you the proper information word for word, I'm going to be reading this out of the Excel handbook for you. Okay? Most of the time, the stock headers and footers available on the header buttons and footer buttons drop-down menus are sufficient for your report printing needs. Occasionally, however, you may want to insert information not available in these list boxes or in an arrangement that Excel doesn't offer in the ready-made headers and footers. Excuse me. For those times, you need to use the command buttons that appear in the header and footer elements group of the Design tab on the Header and Footer Tools Contextual tab. These command buttons enable you to blend your own information with that generated by Excel into different sections of the custom header or footer you're creating. The command button regarding pictures. Click this button to insert the picture code that inserts the image that you select from the Insert Picture dialog box that shows the contents of My Pictures folder on your computer by default. If it's a format picture, click this button to apply the formatting that you choose from the Format Picture dialog box to the picture code that you enter with the Insert Picture button without adding any code of its own. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features, that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We would like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.